Hello, my friend. This is Azhar Iqbal. You're watching my channel, Mike Educate. Today, I'm gonna teach you the best way how you can find your keywords. Okay, so keyword is most important for the SEO. Keywords are most important for growing up your channel and viral your videos. And here I type the keywords find on the website. There's a lot of website you will get. Okay, a lot of website. If you click on this website, so let's see, these kind of website will give you the best keywords. Okay, so the best way and the free way I'm going to teach you. Okay, so these all the website are on the paid version, nothing is free. Okay, so here's Samrush. If I click on Samrush, it is one of the best website, but the best website, okay, no problem, the best website. But if it's all on a paid or premium version, there's nothing good. If I type the keyword earn money online, Samrush. Now let's see. Okay, Google Pad, sign in, whatever, and it will ask you to pay. Okay, so we don't have money to pay in dollars or pound, whatever. So I'm gonna teach you the best way from the mobile. You can find the best top ranking keyword that can grow or viral your videos. Here you click on the Play Store. In the Play Store, you click on here and type U tools. Some people are make so much mistake. They type Y tools. Y tools. Y tools is another thing, and U tools is another ones. U tools are different. You have to download this one. Click on open, and here, if you want to check the ranking of the videos, you can check in here. If you want to get the text from any video, you can get from here. And if you want to find which topic or videos are on trending, you can click on here. If I click on here, or if I click on here, and if I click on, let's suppose, if I select the US, and here in the US, it will give me the best trending videos that is trending on, and you can make the same video like this. If you are present in India, you can select India, and you will get all the Indians trending topic. Okay, don't play with the YouTube. If you are sitting in Bahrain or London or Japan or China or UK, and you are finding the trending topic from India, it's useless for you. Okay, so if I click on Pakistan, so here I will find the Pakistani trending videos. Got it? It's authentic website, authentic application. Now I'm going back. Here I'm going to teach you the keywords, how you can get the best keywords. Keyword suggestion. If I type in here, how to grow YouTube channel, and I select the country, let's suppose I click on India, and I click on search. So here I will get the best top 10 keywords, but don't rely on it. On the further, I will teach you the best. See, the trending keyword are on high. Search volume is very high, competition is very high. Okay, here I click on view all. So you can select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can select the 10 keywords for your website. Okay, or you can copy it. But I'm gonna teach you the advanced level that you have to choose your ways. So this is the one way. Another one is keyword suggestion advanced. Click on this, absolutely free. Enter keyword here. How to grow YouTube channel. Here, no need to pay anything. All is free. Continue. Here you can click on. Let's suppose I click on Pakistan. I click on search. Now you see, when the competition is medium, when the competition is low, and monthly searches are high, so it means this is the best keyword for your videos. This is the best. This one is good. This is not good because it's high, and high leave it. Low is very best. So this one is the best. So by this way you can find your keyword for your videos. Take care. Subscribe my channel.